What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to talk about some stuff that I've done to the Miata lately. I went and got the car pretty much straight pipe. There's no cats, nothing like that, and it just comes back here, goes around, and goes out to the fart cannon right here. It sounds good, it's loud, but it's not as raspy as I was thinking it was going to be, especially since there's no cat or resonator. It's just aftermarket headers to the fart cannon is what most people around here would call it. But today's video is I'm doing something for the Miata, but not here at the apartment. I have another valve cover. I'm going to be trying to paint it, I guess. I'm going to be painting a valve cover that I've had laying around just in my apartment this whole time. I'm going to sandblast it, see if I can get all the old paint off, and I'm going to paint it in this color right here. So I can, I guess give it that OEM Plus look. And then I can take the other valve cover that I have in the Miata to a shop and get it actually polished, so it's like a chrome finish. Because whenever we tried it, we did good, but we didn't do as good as what I was hoping we would do. So I'm going to run and get all the supplies that I need for the sandblasting and the painting, and I will keep y'all up to date on that in a little bit. So I now have everything I need to sandblast the valve cover down there. There it is. Sandblaster, paint, and some fine sandblasting sand. 100 pounds for like $5, I think is what I paid. Not a bad deal. So the sandblasting on the valve cover is going to have to wait for a little bit. I can't find an air compressor to use right now. I'm going to have to ask around to see if someone can bring me their like little pancake air compressor, because I'm not going to need it very long. It's just I don't have one. But for now, I'm going to try to install these window crank levers, I guess is the way to say it. I got 2 of them, one for each side. Hopefully it will go good with the polished vent rings and the shift knob and the old school looking steering wheel that I'm currently using. I'm not keeping it, and the style bar, stuff like that. So I want to take the little pins out of this and open these up and see if I can get them to fit. Well, I got the first one on. Just gotta put the little clip on, but yep, that's, I don't know why that's so hard to twist. It was like that even with the OEM one here, but yep, it's on. I'm gonna put the clip on, gonna knock out the other side, go from there. The second one is now on. No thanks to autofocus. Yep, second one now on. Alright, I think that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Help me out, help the channel out. Give me ideas of what to do to this car and that car. I do have a part that I will be making a video on. It should be here tomorrow for this. And then I also have some new headlights coming for this. Nothing really is planned for that right now. I've been trying to put more money into the Miata. But yeah, be sure to do that, guys. Let me know what you think about the door handles. I'm ready to do the valve cover. I can't wait to do that. I just got to find an air compressor. And thank you guys for 100 subs. That means a lot. Keep getting the word out there. Let's keep going up. I want to make this my job. It's just it takes a while, so that's why videos are kind of slow right now, especially with all this COVID stuff going. Oh my God, look at this. It just got stuck in my shoe. Yep. Peace out, guys. Be sure, like I said, to subscribe, get the word out there, tell all your friends about it, tell your family about it. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one.